Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable preview moves on chess.com, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account, and from the main page, what we're going to do is locate the settings. As you can see in the bottom left, you have this gear icon which says settings. Hover over it, click on all settings, and you'll get to the main settings page of the site. Here you need to go into live chess, and then as you can see, the second option is to enable pre-moves. You just click on that and the pre-moves will be enabled. Then scroll down, click save, and that's all you need to do. Now, what pre-moves are? Pre-moves are basically just moves which you can use to, well, make a move before you actually get to your turn. For example, if you make a move and then it's the opponent's turn, your opponent might be deciding what to do with their turn, and if you want to predict their movement, you can move your chess piece from a spot to a different spot. In the game, it won't actually happen. However, it will be loaded up before your turn arrives. So when the opponent makes a move, you can make a pre-move, and then when it's your turn to move, that move will automatically be set, and that is pretty much it. This is very useful for fast modes of chess, for example 1 minute or something like that, bullet chess, and it's very useful. I do recommend you check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.